Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. This is Farhan 3dmodeling and I welcome you to this new monster series that we started 2 days ago. This is a monster tag number 3 and this one is also a baby one. So first of all we add a few and add a building level 2 to make its body and add middle modifier to it to mirror it on both sides just like this. Now we have to make the shoulders. But first, we have to set some areas of the body where they look good and set the vertices and edges all around the body. Then add the shoulders by adding one cube only and do nothing to it. Then we have to add another cube. Then add top bottom faces bleed. Then bleed the top bottom faces and scale them a little bit and extrude them to make the arm. Then we have to subdivide these pieces right here to make the fingers. Just like there. Now we have to scale on the wire like that. Now extrude fingers one by one, just like this. And now scale them on the wire. Just like there. Now move them a little bit side and rotate them and move them a little bit backward. Just like this. Move them a little bit back on these bottom pieces. Rotate it also and move it a little bit forward to make the hand look more natural. Now knee this too and scale this hand a little bit and scale this too right here. Now everything is kind of looking much better. Now scale this up or we can duplicate another one. Duplicate this shoulder here. And now we have to scale our hands and arms just like here. Now extrude these legs that we duplicated from the shoulders just like this. Now extrude them downward or we can extrude and make the legs, but I am gonna duplicate the face right here and extrude it downward to make the feet. Now I'm gonna grab both of them and move them a little bit up and move them a little bit closer. Just like this. This one is a small monster, so we don't need to make it bigger and taller. So this is much better and adjust the body and every part you see is bigger or a lot taller. It looks taller than it looks taller. Now we need to add a layer. Scale the top, scale the front edge, and now we need to add loopers and scale the back edge and move them a little bit forward and a little bit down. Now we need to extrude it. We can add a few more edges, but this was our first try, so we need to check if our plan idea works. Now we need to read these pieces vertices right here from the side. Now we need to add loopers and scale them on the X and Y just a little bit to match the shape, just like this. Now we increase some vertices and edges for vertices. Now move the back vertices a little bit back. Now move them a little bit forward and scale them just a little bit. Scale the rest of the bottom a little bit on the wire, just like this. Move them a little bit down, just like this. That's as I said earlier, we don't need it to be much taller and much fat. We need it more cute. Now we need to add one right here and there. Subdivide some areas. Just like this. Try out some mesh movement and see how it looks when we do some areas like this. And now we need to add another mirror marker by applying one. Now we need to extrude it inward, but first we need to delete these shapes right here and fill them just like this. Now we need to add subdivision and a bevel modifier again for more loop cut or for more geometry, and we need to make the mouth as well. Turn on clipping or not get clipping. Main face media and extrude the mouth like this. Make it closer, not too far. Add one loop right here. Now set this to brightening. Now increase this area and then extrude this part. It's small, so I had to add a loop cut right there. Increase some area. Just like this. Increase and tighten the edges like this. Adjust them and increase them and control them according to the whole mouth, just like this. Now we can increase it, but it makes a sharp head, so I'm not gonna increase it at all. Sometimes we increase helps a lot, but sometimes we increase doesn't. And now we need to scale them below just a little bit and move this vertex up and increase just a little bit down like that. Now we increase this area too, but not too tight. If it looks good, then we can accept. Okay. Now we need to move this a little bit up, move this down, and move this down too. Okay, now everything is looking much better. Like that. Now we need to move this up a little bit for better results. Make it a little bit shorter. Move this L a bit forward. And now to make the peak, we have the peak. Now we need to select the face. We need where we want the eyes. Now move these X forward and extrude this face inward. And increase this loop right here and this loop right here. You can increase it, but be careful with that. Plastic, and now we need to make it a little bit to the front, when we can see the eyes from the front. Now select this edge right here, move it down, and now we need to color it on. Color it as pink and it increase the roughness, give it a bit light color, and now do the this material and make it lighter, just like this. Now color all the parts using on this light color, just like this. Now set this and color lighter color too, and set this same side here and color it white and mirror it and circle it and color it black. And now defeat these faces and make it one face, just like this. Now insert it for better results. Now our first baby character type in some face, adjust and tweak some areas where we see any problem. Move the mic a bit up, make it shorter and make it skinny. Just like this, move it closer, no need big arms, no need big head, just like this. Now we need to add an arbiter so we can shade smoothie. Just like this, shade smoothie where it looks good. Just like this. Now we need to add an arbiter, and apply the scale, move the origin to the bottom of this mesh, and mainly we need to add merge by distance. If any extra mesh exists, then it merge automatically. Now we need to set armature and set the armature as the body. Add every bone and set every bone and move them and place them correctly where the body, according to the body. Now scale the neck bone and move the head bone to the head. Leave the chest bone, head and the shoulder bone. For the arm, move them according to the shape of the hand. Just like this, move the muscles forward and place them correctly. Just like this. Now we need to subdivide this and duplicate it to the thumb and to the other finger. Place them correctly, move them and place them where they will go. Just like this. Now everything is complete. Apply the scale and rotation of the armature. Now parent the body to the armature as well. Now we need to parent it and now pause it wherever you like and however you like. If you see any armature problem, I paused it this way and now add plane and add some background, add the render settings and add the sky texture to the world property and set the camera angle. And this is the final result in the end. I will see you in the next one. Follow me for more fun stuff or more creative monsters like this. And like, share, subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.